Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. So I could not resist to take her out for a spin, which I believe is not too bad. In the end, we have clear skies, obviously, -1 degree centigrade, which would be 30 Fahrenheit. And I just want to show you, the recent stuff which happened to this beautiful lady, because it quite fits to this weather. She was rust protected with wax. So professionally, every opening of the car has been filled with wax, and I will add some pictures with it. I think you can't really see it. I think if I show you the pictures, you can see it better. So everything is covered in wax. This goes for the inside of the car, and it also applies to the underside. So down here we would see Hodt permafilm, which is wax-based and should be good for several years. So all metal parts are covered in wax now. Every opening here, not sure if you can see it, sorry. Did I bring a lamp? I didn't, but I bought a phone. So you may see that everything is covered with wax. The product which I choose is this stuff. The company is called Hodt fluid film. Fluid film is everything that goes into the doors, to the door frames. I had it done professionally, so don't ask me how he applied it and where he put it in. But the doors, the inner rims here, complete underside. Light is still on. I think you can see it. Everything is covered in wax. So obviously a bit of snow shouldn't do any harm to the car now. The downside of this rust protection is I had it done also on a cold day when the streets were icy and I had to drive to Schleswig-Holstein. So the streets were covered in salt, and you may see here some remains of water, which is not good. I rubbed off all the water from the chrome pieces when I came back, but not the whole car. And since then it has been freezing, and as you can see, we have snow. So I didn't have a chance to wash the car. So the snow won't harm the car, which is not ideal, is all this salty water remains on the car. But the snow, especially here, not treated with salt or sand, will harm the car. Here again you can see, well, it's wet in here, but everything is covered in wax. So maybe you could just see how the water was running down. So I feel rather confident with this protection. I think I mentioned before, there's no sponsoring for this channel. I will mark this video as an advertisement anyway, just in case somebody gets to the idea I'm advertising stuff and not mentioning it. The car started just fine, so it's in really good shape, and it's a shame I can't drive it. I did drive it. I only pulled it out of the garage and drove over here. But we have summer tires fitted to the car, so no driving. So I guess that's it for today. You can see on the photos, which I'll add, a bit about the wax applied. And I guess the next video will be a little room tour, but it will take some time because out in this weather we have only a couple hours of sun today, so I'll do that when the car is washed and when it's dry outside. So thank you for watching today. Have a great day. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.